Hola, ¿qué tal? Feliz martes 13, día de la buena suerte. Happy Tuesday the 13th. Good luck day, one of my favorite days. It is Tuesday the 13th and Friday the 13th. I hope you're having a great day. It's so wonderful to have you here. Welcome back to my channel. And we have a box opening. This is my winning prize from Darla. So let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness, Darla. It was supposed to be the doll. Yep, it was supposed to be just a doll. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We got a card. I'm gonna be opening it later. Look, this is so cute. Very soft and comfy. I will be wearing this a lot. This is so great. Let me just take all this out and let's see what is there. Start opening. Okay, Darla. I love everything. You went overboard, girl. I love everything. Oh my goodness. Look. I got a Harry Potter book. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Super cute. And look, I collect Twilight too. I have all the books and the extras. This is so awesome. Oh my goodness, I am running out of battery. So awesome. And we gotta run. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. And look at this, guys. Look at this. We got 3 babies. Super adorable. They are so adorable. Thank you so much. Look at this face. She's so happy. Oh my sweet Lord. Look, they are so cute. And we got a bag of squeezables. Here a lot. We got some squeezables. Look how cute. And where is the other one? It's so cute. We got some. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna run out of battery. I will be right back. Okay, now we got the squishables. Sorry about the noise because they are working on my house. And it's really loud. Squishables and the card and the drop here. You can see. We got some babies. Some doggies, some goats, some horses, some cats, some elephants. Look how cute. Some doggies. Look, it's so cute. I love this. I love to collect small things. A baby. And this is perfect. I think this is frog. Super cute. also a Piggy, a bunny. I saw a Piggy somewhere. A horsey. Yeah, they are super cute. Super cute. And we got some cuadros to hang on the wall. It has a bird. It says wish, dream, imagine. And we got another one. Your story matters. Oh, this is so cute. And it has the description right there. And the card. Let's see if I can take it out. No, it's what's happening with my left hand. You cannot take it out. Come on, come on. Look how cute. This is adorable. I love it. Oh, thank you, Darla. Celebrating, congrats on your win. Love, Darla. Thank you, Darla. I love everything. So perfect. Let's see what is this one. We got a monkey. With a banana. Super cute. We have a turtle. So cute. Now, last but not least, this is what I want. This gorgeous African American city toy. Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous, Darla. Look at her. This is my first doll. This type of doll that I have in my collection, so I have to get some to keep her company. She is gorgeous. Look at those brown eyes, and she goes to sleep. She closes and opens her eyes. She has a pink bow and this gorgeous black and pink dress and pink shoes. And she has gorgeous hair. Look. Oh my sweet Lord. She is gorgeous. I love her. And now she has some babies to play with. Some babies to play with. Their own baby dolls. So cute. Look at that face. Super cute. Thank you for watching and have a blessed rest of your week. And stay safe. Remember to wear your mask and have fun. See you next time. Bye bye.